Hey guys, today I am creating this look today using the Morphe 9V Vintage Rose Eyeshadow Palette. So if you want to see how I created this look, stick around, and there might even be a giveaway at the end of the video. Move your ass. Move your ass. Move your ass. Move your ass. Your ass. Your ass. Move your ass. Move your ass. Move your ass.
Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it will cave in and swallow me whole. Wondering why my mind keeps on spinning. This isn't how living to me what you sold. Why am I like this? Something's always amiss. Can't put my finger on it, but it's there. Wait for it to subside, but my mind won't upside. Waiting for the clear. Is it bad sometimes?
Say hi to everybody, Deeks. No. Okay guys, here is the completed look for today using the Morphe 9V Vintage Rose palette. I also used Trixie Metall's Summer of Love blush palette, and two real standout products for me today are actually the Trixie Metall eye safe glitters. This one is in Marshmallow and the other one is in Baby Doll. I used Baby Doll for the mobile part of the lid, and then I used Marshmallow on the brow bone and the inside corner of the eye. And then I used both to just lightly dust over my lip color for a little holographic sheen. As always, setting and then tapping with my powder brush, the setting spray into the makeup for a really soft, natural textured finish. What else? Using the new Runway Rogue lip products. This one I've used, let's see, Soft Light as a little highlight color on the butt of the lips before I put the glitter in, and then using that Walk. These are both two new colors from Runway Rogue. I will put the descriptions for those as well as a link in the description box downstairs, where if you use code NOMIMOORE, you can save 15% off your entire Runway Rogue order. And now the giveaways. I am giving away 2 of these palettes. I'm not giving away the Vintage Rose though. That one was one that I just got for myself because I'm such a neutral queen. But the palettes that I do have to give away are 2 that I've used before that I really like, and I'm pairing them off with a Runway Rogue classic bullet lipstick. So there's going to be 2 winners for this giveaway. At random, the first winner will receive the 9T Neutral Territory palette that I've paired off with the Runway Rogue Fashionista lipstick. These are color coordinated for you. And the second winner is going to receive the 9J Just a Crush palette, which I have paired with the Stilettos Runway Rogue lipstick. To enter, you have to like, subscribe, and just make any old comment you want downstairs, as long as it's nice and polite. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave those in the comment section downstairs as well. And I will see you in my next video. So until then, bye.